Okay, hello and welcome to the Profit Forcer demo. So to explain Profit Forcer, let me log into Warrior Plus and show you some of my affiliate campaigns, my affiliate promotions for the last few days. You can see yesterday we did over $800. If we go back a few days, the number's close to $2,000. And then if we go back even longer than that, the number is close to $3,000 in just a space of 5 days. But the key point here is that Profit Forcer will allow you to promote the exact same affiliate programs as me using a done-for-you website without needing to do any work whatsoever. So let's head over to Profit Forcer and see exactly how this tool works. So the first thing we need to do is get hold of Profit Forcer and then simply click on the Create New Website button. And that's going to allow us to enter a URL that we want and also to enter our ClickBank affiliate nickname, which will be automatically added. So we'll enter that information and click through to the next step. And that's the setup step where we enter basic information such as the site name, a support email, welcome text, about your information, and also a logo. Now, if you have a logo, you can upload one. If you don't have a logo, you can just enter the text, choose a font, and that will act as the logo. We can also choose some different color schemes and fonts. We can enter our SEO settings so that we'll get free traffic, which I'll return to later on. And then we click through to the next step. And this is a really important step because what we're going to do is choose the niches that we want to target. So here I'm going to choose video, affiliate traffic, and make money because those have done especially well for me. And that will then bring up on the following page a list of affiliate programs which we can choose. And we don't need to do any content here. All we need to do is to rate these and decide whether we want to add them. And if so, then we just check them and give them a rating out of 5, which will then determine their ranking on those pages. But like I say, the content, the images, the affiliate links, it's all basically done for you. So we'll just scroll through and choose the affiliate programs you want and then click through to the next step. And then on the next page, we're going to go for our top pick, which is basically going to appear as a video at the top of the page. But the great thing here is we don't need to do any content creation. We're just going to use other people's videos and use those as reviews basically. And then we go through to the sidebar, and on the sidebar we can basically choose some different banner ads, both at the top and in the side of the page. We'll just select a few here, and these are all preloaded again. We don't need to do anything, they're just pulled in automatically and added to your site. All we need to do is to choose the ones that we are interested in. We can add autoresponder code, and so we can build a list, and we can also add social URLs, so we can get free traffic from Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and Pinterest. And then once we're done, we click through and our site is done. You can see it looks really great. It's promoting the affiliate programs you want. And best of all, anyone who purchases through your link is going to get access to 10 software tools, which we're going to give you resell and giveaway rights to, which have cost us over $20,000, just to ensure that people go ahead and buy these top converting affiliate programs through your link. So I think that covers it, guys. That's the demo for Profit Forcer. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the Profit Forcer members area. Cheers.